Okay, we're gonna be getting ready to his machine on because it's in refrigerator fan. So we are inside the refrigerator, and yeah. Here's the food. Here's the food. We're gonna be placing it into the fridge right away because it's out of the refrigerator. And yeah, we're gonna do the process. But first, I'm gonna put the food. Okay, found one. Alright, 2 more. I'm done. Okay, I'm done with the machine. And I'm gonna be putting and finally, we're gonna turn on the machine. And so we're gonna turn it on by pressing. Oh, look, this now is the motor for the fan to get ready to turn on. But anyways, let's turn the refrigerator on. That.